Welcome to Leangap, late summer of 2022. Whenever you're ready.
Hi, my name is Messiah and I'm presenting to you all Will Feeds.
Qualities you like from existing online market platforms. All right, good. How do you get your groceries? In-person stores or online delivery? Do the results of the survey prove or disprove that?
I think that the results of the survey definitely prove it.
Go ahead then.
It's a little crowded for the headers.
Yeah, there should be a little bit of space there.
Very cool logo. What did you use to create it? And those are real ads.
Yeah, these are real ads. Yeah.
Nice.
We DM'd around like 150, 160 people.
And we've been recommending the site to international students around us.
Keep me engaged and tell me the problem.
Smiling while speaking makes your voice sound more welcoming and improves your pitch.
Pablo, show us the dog.
¿Quién es mi bebé?
Oh my gosh.
No.
Let's go!
Hi, my name is Mohammed.
And my name is Isaac.
We're from Bit Electric, an EV-centric auction marketplace for both buyers and sellers.
And as a buyer, you'll be able to view all the products listed by going to the marketplace page, adding them to cart.
We achieved over 130 beta waitlisters, with over 50 products listed on our site and $500 in revenue.
For a 2021 Rivian R1T launch edition, we'll be taking home $3,600.
Now, judges, we invite you to help us make social media social again.
A great wellspring of energy.
This pitching is really difficult, by the way. So you're very brave.
Just amazing job. I think traction is something that really stood out to me across all the companies.
I can't even believe that just 4 weeks ago, this was all just an idea. Before that, I never really knew kind of what elements and what steps you would take. So I definitely feel like I have kind of a formula to follow in the future.
The mentors are all fantastic. They're fantastic people and they're fun to be around.
Gradually learned to be humble in reality and then to learn from everyone.
I'm really glad I came to Leangap and it was a really good experience.
For our icons, for the recording button, for
¿Quién es
example.
mi bebé? ¿Quién es mi bebé?
Pablo. He's talking to his dog. He just said, "Who's my baby? Who's my baby?" Show us the dog.
Sorry, it's gone.